Welcome to this brief guide on how to easily change case in Microsoft Word. Have you ever been typing up your document and gone through an entire sentence, or worse, a paragraph, only to realize that the caps lock key was activated and now the sentence is in the wrong case? Today I'm going to show you a feature in Word to easily and quickly fix this. Here in my trivia quiz document, the second question is in the entirely wrong case. I could just select everything and then delete it and retype the entire question, but there's a much easier way. So I'm going to highlight the entire question, and I'm going to head to the Home tab in the ribbon. In the font section of the Home tab, there's an option for me to select the Change Case option. Selecting this will give me a drop-down menu where I can choose from a selection of different options, including sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, capitalizing each individual word, and the option that I'm looking for in this instance, which is the option to toggle case, which will simply toggle the case for all of the selected items. Selecting that, as you can see, will easily and quickly fix my sentence for me. But there are a few other options available to me here, which we'll go through today. So in my Home tab of the ribbon, using the Change Case option, I can select one of the other options, such as either lowercase or capitalizing each word. In this case, I'm going to select lowercase. And selecting lowercase makes the entire selected item lowercase. But maybe I just wanted a couple of the words in there to be in uppercase. I can simply highlight the items that I want to change, and I can use the keyboard shortcut Shift F3, and that will toggle through the available options for me, including sentence case, uppercase, lowercase, or capitalizing each word. I can also then quickly change the first word of my sentence by just double-clicking and using Shift F3 to toggle it. This is a much faster and more streamlined solution compared to deleting the entire text and retyping it again. So yet again, highlighting the entire first sentence here and using the keyboard shortcut Shift F3 allows me to quickly toggle between the different options, and I can quickly double click and highlight individual words or phrases and use Shift F3 to toggle again. And that is how you use the Change Case feature in Microsoft Word. I hope this tip saves you deleting many sentences in the future, and I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more content like this, be sure to check out the channel, and if you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.